Hello, guys.
Hello, everybody.
Welcome. You're finally outside and not in a living room or in a train.
Yes.
Yes.
And she's become a CIA agent today. And I'm in, I don't know.
cheetah, sunflower,
Yeah.
something. You know, it's festive season, and we thought let's make things a little bit more special. So today, what we're gonna do is,
We're gonna exchange gifts. Yay!
but because we are broke,
I am not her, but
we are
fair.
broke. We thought we will set a limit of £10 each. So we're gonna do like a £10 gift swap.
Mhm.
And we're gonna take you around Carlisle as well.
Yeah,
and
she's
show you
gonna
some
go her
shops.
way. I'm gonna go my way.
Yeah,
And we'll record whatever we are doing.
yeah.
And then we'll come together, share gifts, and show you guys what we really got. And I don't trust her, so I'm gonna see her receipt for everything.
Trust her because this is the bag that I got to shop her gifts. And sure, this is the bag
that
she's
I've still managed quite a lot of things in it. I got a dress for her in this, so now you know.
I'm curious to see.
Yeah.
But anyway,
Okay.
I'm Ayati
And I'm Pallavi.
and welcome to
We Are Just Saying.
Playing
Gifting?
Gift.
Surprising? Let's surprise you then.
Dun, 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 dun. So we're gonna give each other like an hour. Go my way, she's gonna go her way.
1 hour isn't that too much? It's just £10, not 100.
Some
Let's-
thought into my
30.
gifts, yeah. Put some love and thoughts into my gifts.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Very good. It's too short.
Tick.
You only bye. Okay, guys, if you know me, I really love giving very useful gifts and not just like showpieces. So £10 is going to be a challenge, but I think I know the shops where you can get good cheap gifts. So let's go. It's going to be expensive, but I know that she's gonna love it. I'm gonna buy that. First purchase is made, and it's already set me back £2.58 out of my £10. So I have to find really cheap gifts because I do want it to look like a nice full bag. So let's see if I'm lucky or not.
This is Ayati's, one of the favorite stores called Sausage Cream. Let's see if I can find something. So I'm getting this flavor. It's not this little thing, okay? $6.50, $6.90. Like, what the hell? Guys, I don't know what to really do. Everything is too expensive. And I don't want to disappoint her either.
I'm gonna be cheating slightly and I'm gonna go into a charity shop because you get really nice things that are second hand for cheap. So let's go.
Planning to go to this Oak charity shop and see if I can find anything for her. I'm getting this for her. But it's £4. Let's see. It's for you guys. I don't know what all I've bought. I've bought this, but I've bought that for her. But I'm quite excited because it's really a good brand that I've bought for her. And I'm like,
Okay, time to buy some food items as well. I know just the perfect shop. It's gonna be a surprising one. We go to M&S. Trust me on this.
let's see. I still need to get one more thing for her. I think I'll exceed with like £2-3, but that's okay. Oh, look at that. It looks so pretty. I have stolen her lip gloss, so I'm gonna buy her a new one. Something for my friend. That's lipstick Fearless. Buy this, probably I might get some discount. So let's see. I need to buy her that, but that's $2.50. But I do have the card. Let's see if I can buy it for discount then. Minutes and got to know that my student ID was expired yesterday, so they didn't give me. Find a different alternative to get the lip tint for her. Let's see. It doesn't have any party glasses, so I'm gonna buy this for her, and it's just £1. So it matches with this, but it's expensive. It's to beat me in this, okay? I've bought quite a lot of things. I hope Ayati Shatier.
Okay, we are down by to 4.47 pence, so £4. 1.47 pence. Gonna get tight now, so let's see what I get. Pleased to find a book. I think I'm only down to my last 1.97 pounds, so I'm not sure what I'm going to find in that much, but let's see.
Yeah, I think they're off the £2 thing up there.
That is £2.
I'm just joking. There we go.
So I'm done, but I've exceeded the limit with 50 pence. But I think Ayat is worth enough to exceed the limit of 50 pence. So I think we're okay.
Finally, we're done, and that's my opponent.
I do see a big bag in her hand, so I'm quite happy to see that. What the hell is in your hand? I hope it's something nice, okay?
This is chocolate for us to eat because I was hungry.
Okay. So, okay, shall we go home now and open the gifts?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Wow. That was a long walk in the city
Very long.
center to just get gifts for each other. But
Yeah, really.
it was damn fun, wasn't
It
it?
was so much fun. You guys just see how much I've cried in that video. It was quite, and I also got kicked out of a place. So
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah. I think we both went slightly over budget.
I
think
just went
that's
like
fine.
30 pounds. Sorry, not 30 pounds. Oh my god, 30
How's
pence.
You love me so much.
No, not that much.
But yeah, me too. I think a few pence just to get the bag. But
Yeah.
I think
I
it
think
was
we're
pretty
okay.
good. I
Yeah.
think it's time now that we turn the festive vibes on.
Shall we?
Yeah, let's.
1, 2, 3. Hello.
Hello, welcome back.
Welcome. What are you guys doing today? How did you like the setup? How did you like the transition?
Yeah, we're getting better now.
We are getting better
You like us now?
each day.
But it's so nice to be celebrating Christmas with you and you.
Thanks. I was like, उनके साथ क्या मेरे को बोलना? Yeah, it's very nice.
Did you know, like, it is rumored that Jesus wasn't actually born on 25th December. It was like another date, and then they just sort of tied in a lot of festivals because
Really?
it was more needed during the winter because it gets so sad and depressing outside. So they're like, oh, let's brighten it up and make
I mean-
this the birth of Christ, or like Christmas and all of that.
This makes more sense about it gets really depressing in winters and they're like, hey, let's
Yeah.
do a festive season.
Let's put fairy lights. That will end
Literally.
our depression.
Yeah, I mean, it kind of does, honestly.
It kind of does.
If you go out and you be like, oh, yeah,
Yeah.
it's all lit up and you feel quite happy,
Yeah,
actually.
exactly. But what brings you more happiness than receiving gifts, right?
Yes. And as you know now, da 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 da
La la
da
la 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 la.
da. मेरा थोड़ा गाउठी वर्जन है but ठीक है.
चलेगा यार. Excited for you.
I'm
to see
also
these
I'm
gifts.
also very excited for her to see the gifts.
Yeah.
So we'll go with one and one, okay?
Yeah. One gift.
One and one क्या
We
होता है?
will do each. We'll
Yeah.
take out.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Here you go.
Thank you.
रमेश स्टोर से सामान लाया मैंने.
Yeah.
Mine looks very premium. Hers look like कहीं से तो लेके आया उठा.
लाया है बड़ी बात है अच्छी. Yeah.
I can see thoughtful gifts in there.
Yeah. I've tried to be as thoughtful. Like I think you'll use all of these gifts. I hope. Yeah.
But yeah. Okay, let's see. Open your
My first gift
yeah.
from this bag. So I'm gonna take a tinier one. It's a frosted berry hydration showgirl printed sheet mask.
Hydrating mask.
Wow. So is it for like my face? This is
Skincare.
gonna be my plan for my cozy Christmas
Mhm.
night in. This is so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
Hmm.
We're just gonna keep saying thank you.
Thanks,
you.
thank you. Okay, my first gift is whoa, a protein bar.
It's not just protein bar, it's actually cheese.
It's Eat Lean protein
Cheese
cheese bars.
And each cheese bar is worth 20 grams of
Oh
protein.
God,
And there's
20
three.
grams protein. 60 grams protein.
Because Pallavi is
best gift.
the best gym girl I've known. And I was like, I know you should eat these. because like you can carry this to work as well and eat it and then go to
Oh
gym
man,
and
this is
everything.
crazy. It's like sometimes what happens is like I miss snacks.
Yeah.
And that time I need something like this, but things
Yeah.
are expensive. So, oh, thanks.
Yeah.
You give me anything with protein, I'll be like,
Exactly.
whoa, girl, stop.
I actually ate those last weekend. That was a really good snack before gymming. So I was like, I wanted to get that for you anyway, regardless of this pod.
How much is this for? It should be expensive.
Was for £1.
Just £1?
Yeah.
How much is the fat percentage in it?
It's quite less, and the whole calorie content is also like 142
It's
per
just
bar.
142 kilocal. Fat's also just 6 gram per. How?
Yeah.
Okay.
My
wow, I'm
next
surprised.
gift is it's a tiny bag. I love a tiny
That's
bag.
the bag that costed me like 50
Yeah.
pence or 80 pence.
I love the bag anyway, so I'm gonna keep the bag, cherish it forever. Ooh, I can see some very sassy glasses that I'm struggling to take
Out.
Wow.
So basically,
Yeah.
I think Ayati has different kind of glasses, but
Yeah.
then we sometimes when we go for party or something, like in the night, just be funky. She doesn't have anything like that, so I'm like, whoa.
Yeah, I think you have the black version of
Yeah,
this and
yeah,
I have the
yeah.
white. But this is so cool, and then we can exchange
Change,
them.
yes.
This is so. How do I look, guys?
गुंडा लग रही है.
गुंडा. It reminds me of वो टॉम एंड जेरी में एक कैट रहती थी ना व्हाइट कलर की जो ग्लासेस पहनती थी उसका ग्लास लग रहा है मुझे. थैंक यू. UV protection also, guys.
Literally, guys, just looking for things on reduced.
Same. I was like क्या हरामी दोस्त है एक दूसरे को reduced चीजें दे रहे हैं.
Literally.
But they're good only. It's not bad. But yeah, you get more things also, no? Which is a good benefit, I would say.
Fair enough. Okay, my next gift, I'll just close.
It's a mushroom soup in a cup. There's so many days Pallavi comes to work and she doesn't have like lunch sorted. As like this is gonna keep you nice and warm in winter, and it's nice and like light also. If you want
Very
for dinner.
thoughtful. She literally knows what to give. She knows I always don't have food.
Yeah.
I'm always struggling for food.
Yeah.
And she's got food with less calories, high in protein,
Yeah.
high in fiber. So
I think there is 4, so 4 times you can.
हो गया मेरा खाना sorted. और कुछ नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. Oh, thanks.
Yeah, that's why I didn't buy you any candies or anything. I
Oh
was
shit, I bought you candy.
like, that's fine. Okay, my next gift.
Filled in liquor. That inside it's liquor,
Ooh.
but it's cola, as you like cola flavor.
Yeah, I do like it
So,
actually.
Yeah.
Wow, this is going to be interesting. I've never tried this. So it's going to be a new snack that the both of us can get to try, I guess. But yeah, I love exploring new food. So this is perfect for me. Thanks a lot.
I also like wanted to give different things. Like
Yeah.
my main motto was to give her like a proper ऊपर से नीचे तक proper skin care का कुछ
अंदर से
some
बाहर
accessory, literally कुछ खाने को things like that. Okay.
Okay. I don't have as many things in your bag, but they're there.
One thing, okay. One thing I knew that she would get, and she has got it. I'll tell you what that is.
Keep watching. Yeah.
It's a lip oil.
Yeah.
Nice. Vitamin E infused lip oil.
Yeah, because sometimes you ask me for lip balm also in the morning in the train before shooting a pod. And I was like, in the winter, your lips get really chapped and all of that. So,
So
it'd be cute.
materialistic. सिर्फ उस देख रहा है क्या लाया है इसने मेरे खाना और मेकअप.
All your
Oh.
interests, no,
Yeah.
high protein and makeup. That's
it. I don't
Interests.
need anything in my life.
Oh, speaking of makeup, I no longer have to use my fingers.
I'll tell you why I got that.
I have a beauty blender now.
Because recently we have got her foundation and concealer, but she still doesn't have the sponge.
Yeah.
And she uses her hand.
Yeah.
It doesn't blend properly. Most of the times it does, but
Yeah.
then you do need the blender sometimes to,
It's easy
that's
for
a
sure.
blender.
This is gonna be damn useful. I was never a makeup girly, if you remember, like at least a year ago when we made that podcast, and I
Yeah.
was like, I don't make up, and now I do enjoy makeup. So look at the transition this year has had the Pallavi effect on me. But thanks a lot. This is gonna be very useful. I know she's only going to use it on me the most. of the
Most
times.
of the time, I'm like, Ayati, stand, don't move, don't move. Okay, let's find the next thing.
I know she likes reading and
Oh.
she's been wanting to read. And I was like, this would be a nice gift so that you can
Oh
start your
wow,
reading journey
Tortoises Costa Novel
again.
Award. It's Elif Shafak,
Shafak. Yeah.
The Island of Missing Trees. Nice.
Yeah.
Women's Prize for Fiction 2022, shortlisted.
Yes.
A beautiful novel.
Yeah.
Oh wow, I'm excited to read now.
Yeah. It's going to be nice because it it starts in Greece and then ends in London.
Oh, so you can relate, you know,
Yeah.
like you know what they're. Oh,
Yeah.
this is so good. Thanks. I saw a book and I'm like, what book did she get?
Yeah.
Where did you get this from? Isn't this expensive?
No, so there is a charity shop which I have recorded in this video. It's like opposite Heron Foods, and you get like books, only books there. So it's charity shop just for books, and this was for like £2.5. So yeah,
Wow, man. Very thoughtful, Ayati. I'm quite impressed.
yeah. Let me know how that book is because I read the reviews and they seem nice. So I was
Okay.
like, you will
I will-
probably
I will
yeah.
tell
And I
you.
do follow that author on my Instagram, so I was like, that
Okay,
must be
let's go
nice.
for it. Exciting. Oh, thanks.
Next gift is a tiny, teeny gift, and she knows I love earrings.
Yeah.
So this is Christmas earrings.
Yes.
They're so cute. They have like Santa caps on them.
Yeah,
I know
just
what
put
I'm
it-
wearing on my Christmas
Yeah.
Eve.
Yeah, that's
Party.
Santa's cap in it. I'm like, I saw it. I'm like, oh, it's
Oh,
giving
this-
Ayati. Let's just take it.
This
And I
is
was
going to
like,
be such a nice theme. I wear these glasses.
Yeah. Very Pallavi.
Thanks
Yeah.
a lot.
Yeah, that's kind of tiny, but it's like very cute.
Yeah, it is very cute.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Kushnayi.
much. No, that's all.
No, welcome,
Purely bought it.
brother. Oh my god. She was also going.
Speaking of earrings,
Oh my god.
I thought they were damn cool.
They do look. I'm gonna put it. Can I?
I know, and I like you statement things as well.
Yeah.
So I was like, these are very cool, very all season,
Yeah.
and they're like made of like denim kind of
Denim,
pattern.
Yeah. It's like unique. I like things which are not like very what do you call? Not everybody has
Yeah,
and,
exactly.
like, unique things.
And it's very like lightweight as well because she was struggling with these today. So
Literally. Wow.
it actually looks so cool. Guys, what do you think?
I'm sure it looks.
Rocking.
Oh, thanks. And you got it from Superdrugs. How much was it for?
75p.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Bro, I was so my story. You guys need to check out my story. I got kicked out of Superdrugs, guys. What I wanted, the thing that I wanted for Ayati is, she's been complaining, not complaining. Actually, she was complaining that I stole her lip gloss, Superdrugs tint lip gloss. Okay, and I was like, I'll buy it
say
for her. No, she said it. And I'll buy it for her. So I went in the store and that is £2.30. Okay, and I'm like, I don't have that much money left
Yeah.
now. I hardly had like £1, so I can't exceed that much.
Yeah.
So what I'll do is I will get something else as well and then put my student discount so I can get that price, that thing
Okay.
discounted for her. And then I stood in the line for 15 minutes because I have no idea why, but it's very crowded outside.
Yeah.
And 15 minutes ke baad, I went to the line and then I showed her my Superdrug VIP card. She's like, yeah, fine. And then I showed her my student ID. My student ID expired yesterday, okay? 12/12/2025. And they're like, sorry, we can't take it. I'm like, it's just yesterday. She's like, yeah, sorry, I can't take it. And I stood in the line for 15 minutes. She's like, no, sorry, you have to leave.
And I actually ran into her. She didn't realize, but I actually saw her like stomping outside the store.
Yeah,
I
literally.
was like trying to call her and she didn't even turn back. She was just like,
Yeah,
so
I was like,
furious.
I was embarrassed and furious. And I'm thank you. I'm sure it looks, oh, it looks so cool, Ayati.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Thanks.
Something nice and fluffy and soft. I have no idea how did you fit this in our 10 pounds.
Yeah, I also have no idea. I went to at least 5 stores.
Super cozy.
Yeah.
You're like putting it on her.
No. So,
Right around.
yeah.
Like that. So nice and soft. Oh, I was feeling so cold. Thank God. Oh.
Yeah, so I got this because
Yeah.
it felt like, of course, giving Christmas vibes
Yeah.
and very cozy and all of
No,
that.
it's really nice. It's like proper heavyweight
Yeah.
stuff and it's so cool.
Yeah,
and
and also,
You got it from a charity shop, which is great.
Yeah,
Because
that was quite a lot of
I
fun.
love thrifting from charity shop. I did
Yeah.
go into it to see if I could find something for you, but I couldn't find anything that was like But this is so nice. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
And yellow.
Yeah.
Gifts. I don't even remember at this point.
So she
Okay.
has got me a gingerbread luxury scented candle.
I know you don't like gingerbread,
No, but it smells good.
but
I don't like
to
ginger.
be
in my
honest,
food.
it would smell like ginger chai. Like that's my thought process behind it because
I
it looks
appreciate.
also like chai. Like if you
Yeah.
like open it,
It does look like chai. I can see
that
it.
that was my
You guys
thing,
can
not
see.
gingerbread.
I don't know if you guys can.
And I was like, you'll put it nice and cozy in your evening and put chai on.
Smells really good.
Yeah, I thought it was pretty cute
Aw, thanks.
for your.
Proper.
So you can sit at home, put the candle, read your book,
Wow, पूरा एकदम set
Yeah.
up माहौल बना
drink
के
your
एकदम.
soup,
Very thoughtful.
grate some cheese over your soup.
हाँ ना.
See, all those
tasty.
4 things you can use in one. But I don't know where the other gift is gonna be used.
वो तेरे सर पे जाएगा वो other gift. Now you guys need to check the other gift that she has got. Okay. Can
That
you
was the first thing I bought.
I knew she would buy this. Kanche! If you haven't watched the episode, go ahead. Wow. Because I remember when we had gone, I was telling her, Ayati, can we buy this? Can we
Yeah.
buy this? And I went to Sausage Green as well.
Yeah.
And I've recorded also. I've said, I don't know how Ayati likes this store so much. Let's go and see if we can find anything for her.
Ah.
And then when I was walking from that aisle, I recorded everything. And I'm like,
Hmm.
Ayati might get this for
Oh
me.
wow, so cool. When we went also last time and everything, she was so excited and she didn't buy it. And I was when we got the idea of making this pod only, I was like, I know I'm gonna buy this for sure.
Bro,
They're so big.
bro.
Oh, okay. I didn't expect them to be like different shape, size, color.
Okay, look at. Wow.
Yeah, so that's the gift. I was like, I knew I had to buy no matter how expensive it is. Everything else comes around it.
Yeah, can
Yeah.
wait. Oh, this is so. मैं घर पे जाके कंचे खेलूंगी guys and I'll record and send it to you guys.
Don't hit your flatmates with it. That's all.
वो बड़े वाले से मारूंगी मैं एक को.
Yeah.
It was so fun, man.
So fun.
We should
Like,
do this more often.
I recommend you and your friend do this
To do
challenge.
this, yeah.
And if you guys do it, please tag us in 10-pound gifting challenge.
Literally.
Yeah.
Mm.
But
Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, thanks.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to everybody. And yeah, actually, you should do this challenge.
Yeah.
I feel
Yeah.
you'll make the other person happy as well. You'll be happy, and it's just 10 quid.
It's fair.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, if you're rich, then go. beyond
Oh, more than 10, but
50.
we are poor people, so
100.
Nahi,
I would
well-
love to do 100, man. If someone sponsors
no,
us.
100 becomes. Oh, yeah, we would. I just stopped right there. I'm like, yeah, of course.
Yeah, but if you guys love watching like these challenges, please let us know if you want us to do any challenge as well, and
Yeah.
we'll definitely do them.
Yeah, we will. And also tell us how did you like Ayati's outfit? Say I just came from Shimla.
And you look like a very posh, like high society aunt who goes to Christmas parties,
Yeah.
organizes
My
them.
daughter, yeah, coming from London last year. My daughter, yeah, coming from London next year. She got me this. Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a great
Yes.
transition to the new year as well.
Hope you watched the motivation video.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to support us in making more such fun content as well.
Yes. Thanks so much for watching. Keep watching us. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next Sunday.
Bye.